Working at a 9-to-5 job can be really exhausting. While a lot of people choose to do it and might actually love it, I am sure there are still lots of you that dream of a remote job with a flexible schedule to be able to study, be a stay-at-home parent, or just travel and live your life. And this dream is possible. We live in an era full of digital nomads that choose to travel and enjoy the wonders of the world while still working online. This is why we prepared free remote flexible jobs that will allow you to do just this and still earn an income higher than $6,000 per month. These are jobs from the trucking industry, but they are fully online and don't require any higher education, which would take years and thousands of dollars in debt. Why trucking? Because the industry is huge and you can make lots of money working in it. But also because our channel talks about the trucking industry mostly, so subscribe if you want to be the one making money in it. The first remote job we will talk about is as safety manager in transportation. While I think the name already says a lot about what you'd be doing, there is still a lot left to interpret. The DOT safety manager is the person that will take care of the safety, compliance, and paperwork of a driver to prepare him for the road. I would compare this job to the one of a marketing specialist, really, because even though the safety manager has different services it provides, they kind of work under the same structure. Yes, you heard it right. This is a service-based job. The way you would provide marketing services such as Facebook ads analysis, copywriting, branding, or content creation, in the same way you would provide different safety managers' jobs, like filling taxes in the correct way for truck drivers, taking care of their insurance, preparing them for inspections and audits, or just making sure they qualify for all the criteria to drive a commercial vehicle. And though this might sound overwhelming, it's actually not, because you can start mastering one service at a time and still activate remotely and even part-time. You set your own rate for each service you provide, and you decide with how many clients you want to work and when. This is the beauty of this job. All you need is a computer, Gmail, and internet connection, and the training to get started. A beginner safety manager earns about $2,500 to $3,500 per month, and that's because it might take a few months to build a reputation and a small portfolio. But a full potential one can earn from $6,000 to $10,000 per month, depending on how many trucks they manage. The training for this job can take about 2 to 3 months, and it can also be done online. But again, this depends on your ability and wish to study. The second job I want to talk about is the one of a truck dispatcher, and the earning potential here can be even bigger. We have a video on how to make $20,000 a month as a truck dispatcher, so if you're interested to see the plan, take a look at our cards. But the important thing is that, again, this is a fully remote job with a fully flexible schedule that you can master in just a few months. A truck dispatcher is the person that has to find loads for truck drivers to deliver. And the best part is that after you booked those loads, you don't even have to be stuck at your laptop. You can monitor the rest of the delivery from your phone. As a dispatcher, you will work with about 6 to 8 trucks on average and earn a percentage from what each truck is making. Beginners usually earn 3 to 4% from the driver's earnings, which is why they make about $3,000 to $4,000 a month. But experienced dispatchers with practice in getting the best loads for their drivers earn from $6,000 to $10,000. And even $20K is possible if you scale the company right. All you need for this is a laptop, a document signing tool like DocuSign, a Gmail, and access to the DAT load board. You will also use Google Maps to check the routes for your drivers, and also some Weather websites to make sure the road is safe for your customer. We actually have our own training that can help you master everything you need, especially getting the best load within just 2 or 3 months. While learning alone will definitely take a little bit longer. If you're interested, check the Truck Dispatcher training link in the description. And straight to our next remote job, which is a freight broker. The job is harder to get because you need to open a company if you want to work alone, but it's fully flexible. You will be able to get a license easily with the right training, and as a result earn even more than a dispatcher. The freight broker is the person who has to find truck drivers to deliver loads for their customers, meaning shippers. Shippers give them things that need to be delivered, and brokers post them on load boards where dispatchers and drivers look. It's pretty straightforward and easy, and it can easily be done from a laptop somewhere in a mountain cabin or a beach, as long as you have internet connection. As a broker, you earn totally different from a safety manager or a dispatcher because you are not paid for a service and you don't really get a fixed percentage from the price of a load. But when a shipper will give you a load with $1,500, you will make sure to pay the driver only $1,200 and save $300 for yourself. Obviously, sometimes you will make more, sometimes less, but with experience, you'll easily be able to get at least 10% for each load for yourself. That's why, even though you do need certification here, your earnings possibilities are bigger. I hope I didn't overwhelm you too much and that you actually found the free jobs that you might consider doing. If it's your dream to become the next digital nomad, let me know in the comments what is the next location you dream to work from. And also, if I managed to convince you that the trucking industry has a lot of remote, wonderful opportunities for people like you, then share this video and subscribe to our channel.